Today we're studying about the structure of Golgi complex or Golgi body. The Golgi body, you see here, this is the structure of Golgi body. The Golgi body is the cell organelle. It was first observed by the Camillo Golgi in nervous cell of owl in 1998 and hence name Golgi body has been given it. It is only one in animal cell present near nucleus, but it is more in plant cell and absent in the prokaryotic cell. It is somewhat curved and it is composed of three main components, that is cisternae, fascicles and vacuoles. You see here, these are the cisternae. Then these are the fascicles and these are the vacuoles. So first about the cisternae. Cisternae are flattened sacs. These are tubular. You see here, these are cisternae. These are tubular or filamentous sacs which are arranged and lies in bundles. They are membrane bound fluid filled flattened sacs, swollen then swollen at the ends and placed one above the other like the stacks of the coins. They variable in length. The outer convex surface is called forming or proximal face, while inner concave surface is called mature face. Then second one is the fascicles. You see here, these are the fascicles. These are small spherical drop-like membrane-bound structures which are present around the ends of the cisternae. These are produced from maturing ends of the cisternae by budding, and they contain enzymes and other material synthesized by the cells. Next one is the vacuoles. You see here, these are the vacuoles, this one. These are rounded sacs associated with the cisternae. These are large in size. These are formed by the enlargement of broken parts of cisternae or some with the fusion of small fascicles. Okay, this is about the structure of the Golgi body or Golgi complex. Then now we study about the functions of the Golgi complex. The first function is the secretory activities. That is, it concerned with the secretion of hormones, enzymes and other material required to build up plasma membrane and cell wall. Second function is the storage of proteins and lipids. That is, Golgi body stores proteins and the lipids. Next function is the synthesis of starch. The Golgi body synthesizes starch from the simple sugars. Next function is the formation of acrosome. The apical cap of sperms called acrosome, or the tip of the sperms called acrosome, and it is also formed with the help of Golgi complex. Next function is the activation of mitochondria. Activation of mitochondria. That is, Golgi body activates mitochondria to produce ATP. And then last function of this Golgi complex is packing and pumping activity. It acts as an intracellular pump for receiving, packing, and expelling secretory products in the form of vesicles, small and in the form of small vesicles, and transport of cellular fluid. Okay, this is about the functions of Golgi complex. So now, here we completed the structure of Golgi body or Golgi complex and the functions of the Golgi complex. Okay, thank you.